Hello, hi. Myself, Dr. P. Shivaranjani, Academic Coordinator, Department of Graphics and Creative Design, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So, in next session, we are going to discuss about disk structures. So, what is hard disk? Hard disk is a secondary storage devices. It is a type of electromechanical devices. The hard disk stores and retrieves digital data using magnetic storage. Disk is rigidly, rapidly rotating platters coated with magnetic materials. Hard disk packets consist of more than one disk. How the data is stored in hard disk? Data is stored in disk in the forms of tracks and sectors. The disk surface is divided into tracks. The track is further divided into sectors. The sector is the addressable unit in the disk, and the diagram shows how the hard disk is being categorized based on tracks, track sectors, and disk sectors. The next is disk structure in operating system. Disk surface is divided into tracks, a rewrite head positioning just above the disk surface. The information stored by the magnetic recording on the track under read or write heads. There are two different types of head disk. One is called as fixed head disk and another one is called as moving head disk, designed for large amount of storage. Primary design consideration: cost, size and speed, and the diagram represents how the disks are stored in the operating systems. Hardware from the disk systems: disk drives, drive motors, read-write heads, associated logics are used in hardware for disk systems. In disk controller, which will help you to determine the logical interactions with the computer, can service more than one drive overlapped seeks. In cylindrical, the same number track on all the disk surfaces. Each track contains between 8 to 32 sectors. The sector is nothing but the small unit of informations that can be read from or written into the disk, range from 32 bits to 4096 bytes. Disk performance parameters. So by using this following parameters, the disk performance can be measured in the cases of data transfer rate, data transfer time, average access time. So the first one is data transfer rate. The data transfer rate is defined as the amount of data transfer in per unit time. For example, 30 megabyte per seconds. In data transfer time, the data transfer is the total time taken to transfer the specific amount of data from the disk. The data transfer time depends upon the data transfer rate of the disk. Average access time is calculated by using the following formula. Average access time is equal to seek time plus rotational latency plus data transfer time. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you all.